We're here at Premier Dental Care. This is Linda. Linda, what work did you choose for yourself here at Premier Dental Care?
At Premier Dental Care, I chose to use a tap appliance.
And what is a tap appliance? What is it used for?
Well, it's used for sleep apnea or snoring. In my case, it was for sleep apnea.
Okay. And how do you use it? What is it?
Well, it is an appliance that you you put in at night before you go to bed. It fits on your top teeth and your bottom teeth, and then it kind of locks together and keeps your airway open.
Okay. Did you use a CPAP machine before you tried the Tap 3?
Yes, I did.
And how would you compare the two?
Oh, well, there's absolutely no comparison. CPAP is very confining and a tap appliance is very comfortable.
Okay. Do you sleep better now?
Yes, I do.
How about your spouse? Does he sleep better?
Yes, he certainly sleeps better. The CPAP machine is very noisy.
Okay. And was the process getting the tap appliance easy for you?
Oh, it was a very comfortable experience.
Okay. What would you say about Dr. Anderson and the staff here at Premier Dental Care?
Oh, they're awesome people. They helped me a lot.
Good. And would you recommend us to your family and friends?
Most definitely.
All right. Thank you, Linda.
You're welcome.